Next, I'm going to show you the easier way to create melodies and chords in FL Studio. So now this is your piano roll, and you click this drop down menu here. You come to helpers, you come to scale highlights, and you come to major. Now it's going to show you this dark. You can see this place became a bit darker, and this becomes a bit lighter. You can see lighter, darker, lighter, lighter, darker. Now this is you're going to avoid the dark notes, like this dark lane. You're going to avoid this very dark lane or the darker lane. You're going to avoid it. Now let's come here. Make sure that you're working in key C or any key you want to work in. Really, let's come to help us again. So you can see root notes. So you can change it to any of the notes, but I'm going to keep it in the key C because it's easiest to understand, especially for beginners. So make sure it's left in key C. So let's create a quick chord. You can see, remember the 1 3 5 also still applies here. When I stretch it out, this is 1 2 3. You can see I'm only counting the light gray lines. This is 1 2 3 4 5. You can see, let's come here again. This is, let's assume I select this next. This is 1 2 3. This is 4. This is 5. So let's listen and see. And you can even get that from, remember the major 7 formula, 1 3 5 7. So already have the 1 3 5 here. So so this is 6. This is 7. This is 7. This is 5 6 7. All right, so this is one of the easiest way to create chords. Now let's create a melody with this. We'll come to piano roll. You can see we still have the gray notes sticking out, and we still have the helpers on the piano roll showing us the major scale of key C. So let's create a simple melody. Let's do this. So I can bring it here since I'm still on this gray line. Always keep your melodies simple and sweet. Do not try to do too much with your melodies. You can see how catchy this melody is. All right.